Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why the Netherlands is considered one of the best countries in the world. We'll explore its high quality of life, strong innovation, and excellent healthcare. You'll discover how these factors contribute to a thriving society and a desirable place to live. Let's dive into the details that make the Netherlands stand out globally. The Netherlands truly shines in providing a high quality of life, consistently ranking among the top countries worldwide. This is largely due to its exceptional work-life balance, where only a tiny fraction of employees work excessively long hours. People here enjoy ample time for personal pursuits and family, contributing to overall happiness and well-being. It's a place where life outside of work is highly valued. Beyond quality of life, the Netherlands is a powerhouse of innovation, consistently placing in the top 5 globally. This innovative spirit extends to its strong commitment to sustainability, with ambitious goals like achieving a circular economy by 2050. The country's extensive network of over 35,000 kilometers of cycling paths also highlights its dedication to green transportation and a healthier environment for everyone. The Netherlands also excels in education, with its system highly regarded and ranking among the most educated countries worldwide. Coupled with a top-tier healthcare system that consistently performs well across Europe, residents benefit from excellent public services. This combination of strong education and healthcare, alongside a focus on well-being, truly makes the Netherlands a remarkable place to live. For more great deals and resources, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.